안녕하세요. 저는 딜레에서 온 멜렌이라고 합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 클로이예요.
안녕하세요. 저는 멕시코에서 온 로메니케라고 합니다.
저는 니콜라이예요.
안녕하세요. 저는 MJ입니다. I wanted to come to Busan National University because I've heard so many wonderful things about Busan and more specifically the university. It's really well known for its success in students, and Busan is in a wonderful location in South Korea, around so many wonderful cultural and modern.
So I came to PNU Summer School and I've been meaning to learn Korean formally for a long time, and I thought this was the opportunity.
I wanted to meet new people from all around the world, from different cultures.
We had the Korean classes, the special lectures.
We have experienced different classes in Korean with different professors, and we have experienced deeply the culture by doing different activities like going to amusement parks, visiting the beautiful beaches that Busan has to offer, going to cultural villages, and experience different activities.
We made bibimbap. We tried the traditional Korean clothing, which is hanbok.
When I'm thinking about like the taekwondo lessons that I got, also the K-pop dance.
This summer, I got to learn a lot of new techniques and dances from specialists in K-pop beauty and K-pop dance teachers. Thanks to these, I could actually learn what is right now getting trendy in Korea, and the best of it is that I could actually learn it in the native language.
We all got to go together and experience these beautiful sights that we've all seen online. Being able to see them with your real eyes was a chilling experience.
Everything was organized perfectly and I really enjoyed it.
A real example of how a program should be like organized.
Still a very good program, very entertaining, and it taught me a lot of things. And I'm really glad that I started learning formally with this summer school in particular, because it didn't just teach us the language, we also had other lectures that I don't think I could have ever gotten at my university.
I think PNU is like the greatest offer you get.
PNU Summer School!